The top priorities for CB Technologies right now is all about deploying IoT, industrial IoT for clients. Refinery of the future is the major use case that we're working with RealWear right now. It's called Connected Worker. It's one of 5 use cases at TechSmart Chemical out of Galena Park in Houston. It's all about the Connected Worker. It's all about integration of sensor pumps, virtual reality, AI, video as a sensor, taking all that data and connecting it to the worker at wherever they are in the plant. What we're finding is things that took 10 minutes are now taking 30 seconds. Things that took 5 minutes are taking 1 minute. Case in point is one where they're going out to manually move, a pump, something on a pump. And before it was communication back and forth to the control center. Now it's hands-free. They have it right in front of them in the screen. They can make the adjustment, see exactly what's going on in the control center and not have to be in communication with anybody. The future of CB Technologies in RealWear, I think, is one of the brightest spots that we have going on.